Do I know what I'm doing? Not entirely. Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm fixing up this glue head on a doll. She has a very severe case of glue head, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are acquainted with, unfortunately. It's when the doll's hair gets all sticky from glue seeping from the inside. It's really sad because she was one of my favorite dolls when I was younger, and so today I decided that I would like to fix her up, and that involves fixing her hair. If you couldn't see from here, you can see now that her hair has a very severe case of this, and it's gonna need some help. I have tried in the past to fix her glue head. That attempt was hot water. I thought,
oh yeah, hot water is just gonna fix it and all the glue will just disappear.
It made it worse, which a lot of you guys are probably like, yeah, I knew that. So, what I'll be trying this time is Goo Gone. I did a lot of research, and this is what I decided on. It was this or the OxyClean method, and to be honest, do I know what I'm doing? Not entirely. So I don't really see how this could not work, except for the fact that it might not. I'm gonna have to do this in my bathroom, huh? Okay, so I started off by shampooing her hair. A lot of dust got stuck to her hair from it being so sticky. Then I went in with the Goo Gone. I at first started by working it in just with my fingers and then scrubbing her head with a toothbrush to try to get the base. It really wasn't working, so I decided to soak it in a plastic bowl. And then I rinsed it out, and it was still super sticky. I decided she needed another round of soaking, so this time I placed her in my sink so that all of her hair could lay flat and it could really soak. I left it in there probably for another hour, and this time, after I worked it in a little bit more with my fingers, I then rinsed it out. I combed through some shampoo to also wash out the Goo Gone, and this time her hair actually felt like hair, and it was not clumping together. Alrighty guys, it's been a while. Her hair is finally dry. The big reveal. This is what we ended up with, and her hair is significantly less sticky. Honestly, I think it's funny, her hair kind of looks like how it does when she first wakes up on Coronation Day, doesn't it? That's how her hair looks. That's funny. She probably could stand to use one more round of Goo Gone, but if you're here wanting to answer the question, does Goo Gone work for sticky doll hair? Yes, it does. You'll have to do it a couple times and let it simmer for cases like this, but it does work. I'm gonna call this good, and I'm gonna put in her original braids. Apparently these are her weird little bangs. So besides her hair, there's a couple other things I'd like to fix up on her. She has one hand that got slightly chewed up by my dog years ago. I've been meaning to repaint it, and today is the day. We're also gonna find her other accessories and get her completely dressed up. I'm just trimming some off because I couldn't get some long pieces out of her bangs. She looks like Anna! It's time to fix her hands. This is actually the original paint I bought to fix her, and I don't think it's gonna be the right shade. Obviously, I'm gonna add some different colors to make it the right color. I'm terrible at matching color. Hey! Hey, that's not bad. It is the same color. And no guys, I'm not gonna pretend that I'm good at painting Barbie dolls. I'm terrible at it, so I'm sorry if this is... it's not great, I know. From here, you can barely tell. But I think once it dries, we'll see what it looks like. Wow, I've waited literal years to do that, and I finally did it with the exact paint that I bought for it. The rest of her painted on bodysuit is all intact, so I don't have to do any painting there, thankfully. I was thankful that her skirt is still intact. It's silk, kind of material and it's not snagged, which is good. Elastic works pretty good, so there's no fixing up there that needs done. She's got her little boots. She still has them, so that's great. The other two accessories that came with this Anna doll were, of course, her crown and her cape, which are all still intact, and I have them. And of course, her cape. I remember after watching the movie, I wanted an Anna doll so bad, and this was like one of the only ones you could find. It was the cheapest one, probably. I found it at Target, and it was honestly like my first doll that had painted on clothes. I didn't care though, because I just wanted an Anna doll. And so here she is, and I'm so happy that I was able to fix her up. The Goo Gone, I didn't think it was gonna work, but I'm glad that it worked. This is 10 times better than what her hair was. So if you're thinking about fixing your doll's glue head, Goo Gone is a good method to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you wanna see more like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Wonder who's gonna be next.